Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two of the best payment processors in 2025, Square and PayPal. If you're trying to decide which one fits your business needs, you're in the right place. Let's start with Square. If your business relies on in-person transactions, Square might be your best bet. With its integrated POS system, Square is perfect for retail stores, restaurants, and small businesses that need a full payment ecosystem. It offers lower transaction fees for card-present transactions and robust hardware solutions, making it easy to accept payments wherever you are. Now, let's talk about PayPal. If your focus is on online payments, international transactions, and seamless e-commerce integration, PayPal is hard to beat. Known globally for its trusted brand, PayPal integrates effortlessly with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it an ideal choice for freelancers, online sellers, and business expanding their reach globally. Both platforms have their unique strengths. Square is geared towards businesses that need all-in-one solution for in-person payments, while PayPal excels for those handling online transactions and international payments. Which one is better for your needs? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fintech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.